Hello everyone, welcome to Valeton's official channel. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at our brand new multi-effects processor, the GP50. We'll walk through 5 key areas you'll want to know when using the GP50. Connections, basic operation, using it with computer software and the mobile app, recording with a computer or mobile device via OTG, and connecting external devices. On the right side of the unit, you'll find the input jack and the EXP-FS jack. The input jack is used to connect your instrument with a standard 1/4 inch TS cable. The EXP-FS jack allows you to connect either an external foot switch or an expression pedal, and it requires a 1/4 inch TRS cable. On the left side of the GP50, you'll see a pair of stereo output jacks. Out L for the left channel and out R for the right channel. You can connect these outputs to a PA system or an amplifier using standard 1/4 inch TS cables. For mono output, simply use the out L jack. Along the top of the unit, starting from the left, is the phones jack for connecting headphones for silent monitoring. Next are the MIDI in and MIDI through ports, which allow you to connect external MIDI devices using 3.5mm TRS cables. For detailed MIDI control information, please refer to the CC list in the manual on our official website. Moving further right, you'll find the USB port. This is a USB 2.0 Type-C interface. When connected to a computer with a USB cable, it allows communication with the desktop editor software for tone management and NAM file transfer. The same connection also lets the GP50 function as an audio interface for computer recording or mobile OTG recording. The USB port can also power and charge the unit. When connected to a computer, no separate power supply is required. For outdoor use, you can power the GP50 with a power bank rated at DC 5 volts, 500 milliamps. On the far right is the DC power input. It uses a standard 5.5 by 2.1 millimeter connector, requires 9 volts at 500 milliamps, and is center negative. While this is a common pedal power specification, we always recommend double-checking your power supply to avoid any potential damage. The GP50 is primarily controlled using the front panel knobs and foot switches. It also features a built-in battery. To power the unit on, press and hold both the save and global buttons for about 3 seconds while the unit is off. Use the same method to power it off. If the GP50 is powered off while connected to a 5-volt USB power source, it will enter charging mode. When powered via a standard 9-volt DC supply, the GP50 behaves like a traditional guitar pedal. Plugging in the power turns it on, and unplugging it turns it off. This makes power management simple and intuitive. Once the unit is powered on, the main interface appears on the screen. From here, you can scroll through presets by turning the para knob or by pressing the foot switches. The 3 quick access knobs directly control the parameters displayed above them on the screen. Press the para knob to enter edit mode. The GP50 includes 10 effect modules plus 1 expression pedal module. In edit mode, turn the para knob to select a module. Press and hold the para knob to move the selected module within the signal chain. Use the quick access knobs to adjust parameters. If a module has multiple parameter pages, press the para knob to cycle through them. Press the Exit BT button to return to the main interface, and press the Save button to store your edited preset. To enable Bluetooth, press and hold the Exit BT button until the Bluetooth icon in the top right corner of the screen begins flashing. Once connected to a mobile device, the icon will remain solid. Press the drum button to turn the drum machine on or off. When enabled, a drum machine icon will appear on the main screen. Press and hold the drum button to enter the drum machine interface. In the drum machine interface, rotate the para knob to select different patterns. The GP50 itself includes 10 basic metronome-style drum patterns. Additional patterns are available through the mobile app and require a Bluetooth connection. Use the quick access knobs to control drum tempo, drum volume with a range of 0 to 100, and sync on or off. When sync is enabled, the drum machine automatically follows the tempo of the current preset. The tempo range is 40 to 260 beats per minute. Press the Global button to enter the Global Settings menu. Each option is explained in detail in the online manual, and you can adjust these settings to suit your setup. Now let's look at the foot switch functions. When the foot switch mode in Global Settings is set to patch, pressing the left or right foot switch changes presets. When set to stomp, the foot switches toggle assigned effects on and off instead of changing presets. In Stomp mode, enter Edit mode to assign effects to the foot switches. You can assign up to 3 modules to the left foot switch, FS1, and up to 3 modules to the right foot switch, FS2. Pressing a foot switch will turn its assigned effects on or off, and the LED color will change accordingly. You can switch between patch and stomp modes either in Global Settings or by pressing and holding the right foot switch. Press and hold the left foot switch to turn tap tempo on or off. When active, the LED ring will flash at the current preset's tempo. Press both foot switches simultaneously to turn the tuner on or off. In the tuner screen, you can adjust the tuner mode and reference pitch using the quick access knobs. Press and hold both foot switches simultaneously to turn the looper on or off. You can download the companion software for your operating system from our official website. Windows users will also need to download and install the Valeton ASIO driver for full functionality. Once installed, open the software and connect the GP50 to your computer using a USB cable. The software will connect automatically. The desktop software is mainly used for file management and updating both the editor software and the GP50 firmware. For real-time preset editing, we recommend using the unit itself or the mobile app. Click Manage in the top left corner to access Patch, Snaptone, and IR file management. Click Update to check for and install the latest firmware. Software updates can be found in the About section. We recommend checking for updates regularly. The GP50 is also supported by a free mobile app for iOS and Android called Valeton Suite. You can download it from your device's App Store or download the Android APK directly from the Valeton website. To pair the GP50 with your mobile device, press and hold the Exit BT button to enable BT function. Open the Valeton Suite app, select GP50 as the target device, and connect it from the device list. From the app, you can manage patches, adjust tones, rearrange effect modules, access additional drum patterns, Configure control assignments. Adjust global settings. Import NAM files. And load third-party IRs. For computer recording, you'll need a DAW, a USB cable, and for Windows users, the Valeton ASIO driver installed. Connect the GP50 to your computer and confirm it's recognized. Open your DAW. Select Valeton USB audio device as the audio interface. Create a new project. Add an audio track and you're ready to record. If you want to record a dry signal, go to Global Settings, then USB Audio, and set the rec mode for both the left and right channels to dry. This only affects the signal sent digitally to your computer or phone. The headphone and main outputs will still monitor the processed signal. For OTG recording with a mobile device, you'll need a USB OTG adapter and headphones with a 3.5mm plug. Connect your phone to the GP50 using the USB cable and OTG adapter, and your phone will receive the audio signal directly from the unit. To record your guitar along with a backing track, enable Bluetooth on your phone and connect it to the GP50. Any audio played from your phone will be recorded together with your guitar signal, depending on your mobile device and operating system. To connect an external expression pedal, use a 1/4 inch TRS cable and plug it into the EXP-FS jack. Go to the Global Settings menu. If this is your first time using the pedal, select EXP Calibrate and follow the on-screen instructions. Then go to the EXP-FS setting and make sure the device type is set to EXP. Enter Edit Mode, locate the EXP module, and turn it on. Use the quick access knobs to assign which effect module and parameter the expression pedal controls. To connect an external foot switch, plug it in and configure it in the EXP-FS section of Global Settings. Select the correct foot switch type and assign its function. For a single foot switch, a standard TS cable is sufficient. For a dual foot switch, you'll need a TRS cable. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy using your GP50. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. See you next time.